So this is the Ashlack Hall shoot. So I've been speaking to my friend Colm now for quite a number of years about trying to get a single peg on a day like this. I'm really looking forward to it. I mean, we drove here last night and you can see the topography coming up into the Lake District, those massive mountains, deep troughs, Coniston water over the back of us. This is the terrain that's going to show high birds. No, I mean, I would love to see the numbers of woodcock that are going Island. I bet that will be a sight to see.
Series of shockwaves before some of these having. So for those that haven't, how you structure the days, you're live on your pegs, you'll finish on a whistle. We'll stand in 9, so we'll move up 2. We're aiming to do between 4 and 5 drives. The first bird through the line must be a game bird. After that, you can shoot it whatever comes.
Sounds dodgy, but he's not really.
It will do.
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to this because Colm's been putting stuff on social media, which at the end of the day is where we all see the new places where we want to go shooting these days. And I've wanted to see this place for ages because Colm's got like 12 what he classifies as extreme drives. So what I do like about this place though, Simon, is the fact that it's really convenient to get to. Like for me, this is 2 hours away. Nice sort of like leisurely drive on a morning. It's not too far for you. Nice 6 hours.
Well, I just checked the traffic and it's 6.5 hours home.
6.5 hours to get home, but base of Coniston water, like the scenery is absolutely amazing. So I know you're really keen to use your own guns today, but we're not going to.
You brought me a treat.
Yeah, so we're going to use, I've bought 3 pairs, 2 of which have already been used. A chap called Chris is using a pair of the Colm titanium side-by-sides. I'm hoping one of the other guys is going to use one of the side-plated side-by-sides, but we've got a pair of the Colm titanium Suprema 12 bores, which I really want to see how you get on with, because they should just about fit you. I wasn't expecting it to have like...
I've just got them off
So we're just pulling up to the first drive now. It's hard to really explain what we're seeing in front of us. The first drive is a mountain. We're stood in the bottom of a bowl. Simon and I are lucky enough to be peg number 5 on this first drive. But what is in front of us is a mountain that is about 250 metres to the top. We've had the drone out to start things off just to see what it looks like, and you'll see from the footage just how high these pheasants are coming off the top of the hill. Oh, you've done it. Is that your Basque tuition coming out? Ooh.
Straight. So you're coming straight down.
Jesus.
That's a good bird, isn't it?
A little massage. Come on, Simon.
How many did you miss before you hit one?
8.
There you go.
folded. Oh. That was your... Yeah, something. Yeah, perfect, mate.
No way.
Whoa. Shoot.
Well, right, the perception is to shoot so far in front of you.
Yeah, but they're not actually.
No. I mean that one. That's a good bet.
You hit it with the first one.
Nice birds.
Yeah, all two of them.
I think we've got one way to go.
The ones that we were missing was because of just aiming way in front of them.
Which is a strange old sense that you actually sort of way in front, but when you've actually dialed it back a bit and get the line right here. Yeah, perfect. Really good bird.
Yep.
Not big and you're not clever, are you?
We're in a land that I don't get to see a lot because I'm from the south. It's very different and it is just absolutely stunning. The terrain is beautiful. And you just don't see the colours down south, it's just up here, there's something different which is just amazing to see. And if we weren't out shooting, we wouldn't be standing or seeing these places, so it is a privilege to be here.
It's very... In a bit. Yeah, kind of. You see what I mean about the blue in there?
John copy.
Fucking hell, you
Give him a fair beat, you know. She said, I'm not doing so good.
chocolate. Hi, Cookie. Come on, Erin.
They should taste nice, anyway, because they'll be
Gonna say they've had a good
grubs and acorns.
Yeah.
Beautiful animals, aren't they? It's not about it.
I think we're finished because the babies need feeding now.
Come on, then.
You get your fingers nibbled off.
Wilbur's the tiniest baby one.
The two big back. Oh, you want a full pint? Lovely. Not half measures. Probably a bit more for camera. Come on, Colm. Not half measures, full today, lad. Yeah.
So whereabouts are we then?
So we're in Torver at the minute, so
Right.
not far from Coniston would be the nearest
Which is that
village,
way?
which is that way.
Yeah, right.
Overston, but
Nice.
behind us there. This is probably what you would call Torver Valley. We're
Yeah.
on the Troughton Hall part of the estate.
Nice. It's
Um,
massive.
It's a very big estate.
'Cause
Yeah.
Where we left for the pub this morning
Yeah.
to get to the first drive, I mean, that was a good drive to get there,
Yeah.
but that's basically all the estate, isn't it? It's a pretty
Yes. Yeah, you don't
vast
really.
setup you've got here now.
It's a big area, so it's approximately 7 miles from where we are
Wow.
now to the end of the estate. Yeah, so first drive was Great Burney.
Yeah.
So that's probably our signature pheasant drive that we have. We just we start on that in the morning. They tend to prefer to be up there nice and early.
There were some
Get
good
up.
birds on that one.
Yeah.
Some really good
Yeah.
birds. I mean, I say me and Simon, we haven't done that much shooting this year, but we've seen a lot of shoots,
Yeah.
especially with where we get to filming and taking photos.
Yeah.
There was some birds on there that would have tested everyone, which
Yeah.
is perfect. Absolutely amazing.
Yeah, and it's nice. It's a nice drive to either start on or finish on. So
Yeah,
you start
yeah.
on it gets the blood up in the
Yeah,
morning,
yeah,
gets you
yeah.
going,
Yeah.
gets you excited.
We can hear, so we're basically stood now, like you say, in front of another great big mountain,
Yeah.
and we can hear the guys whistling.
Yeah, so we have two drives here where we are now. So just behind, well, what we're looking at just behind the camera is
Yeah.
what we call Hell's Bank.
Right, wow.
That's
It
a
is-
pheasant drive.
I would have said Hell's Mountain.
Yeah,
It's not the sort of place you'd want to go beating.
no, it's fairly tough going, and they do come over the fell wall at the back. So
Oh, really?
from
Wow.
behind up there, it levels off.
Yeah,
It goes off into rushy fields, but then it comes up another tier again.
Right.
And where we're going to shoot next, it's called Lords because we have Lords Wood to the right.
Okay.
Um,
So we'll be lining out down this
we'll,
way then?
we'll be lining out, yeah. So these pine trees will be in front of us, and we're lining out down here. And again, it just shows some real nice birds. That's more of a mixed pheasant and partridge drive.
Fantastic. Yeah, great.
So we have a bit of both in it.
This as well, I've noticed there's some two little girls hanging around with
Yeah.
us today, and your lovely wife.
Yes.
So I reckon I probably met you when your 11-year-old daughter was about 6 months old.
Yeah, she would have been. Yeah.
Yeah, that was a long time ago.
Yeah.
I wonder if your wife's going to come and join us.
Come and stand in.
She's very scared.
Pretends to
You
be
gonna say
camera
hello?
shy.
Hello. But I think it's nice that people realise that it is like a proper family team.
Yeah.
And you guys have been doing this like for a decade
Yeah,
together with the little girls who
Yeah.
are off school because it is half term.
it's half term. Yeah. Yeah, no,
You do it
and I
well.
mean they've been a part of it from. Beverly used to carry Lily around on her
Yeah, I
back.
remember.
She
Yeah.
still carries Erin
Yeah.
around now. And I mean, one of our biggest thing has always been that it's a family run,
Yeah. That's
you
great.
know,
I'd love my kids to see
business
this.
in a way. But even in terms of the beaters, we've got
There's
you know,
families and kids
yeah,
out, isn't there?
we socialise with them as well.
Yeah,
They're all friends, not just
Yeah.
and that's something we don't want to lose going forward. And definitely, even though we've taken on a bigger estate with more ground, we didn't want to lose that family
No,
feel to the day.
No,
You know.
definitely not. From our sense, I suppose it's a big thank you to you all, anyway, because it has been a great day. I know everyone else
Yeah.
has shot some cracking birds as well, which is nice to see.
I've seen you pull down one or two.
Yeah,
seen you
maybe
shoot some nice
the
ones.
first drive, yeah,
Yeah.
maybe, but no, it's been great. Really
Yeah.
appreciate it.
No, it's been great
not
having you.
just for the camera.
Yeah.
That's been good.
Yeah.
And I think we've got one more drive
Possibly two. See how we get on.
for the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Cheers, guys.
Lovely. Yeah.
Back in the field again, Simon.
Yeah.
There's a lot of partridge going over there.
Yeah. Just coming over.
Dipping down. Whoa, look how high that is. God, look at that. How far away is that? Jesus, is that a partridge?
Up.
I think it's always hard to try and explain about a shoot, which is why I think these videos are so useful for people, because they see essentially firsthand with very little editing about what an actual shoot is like.
Well, they're all so different as well.
And what I quite like about these films is the fact that I've never had any negativity about showcasing a shoot that isn't as it comes across and how we represent it.
Yeah.
And I want people to sort of...
Oh, go on, up.
That was caught me off guard. It's nice to be able to do it for that reason, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll let you have a go. Shooting your silly big cartridges.
That one, go on.
That was as close as your first one.
No, it wasn't. My first one was over the top of the tree.
Yeah, this tree.
No, they came over that.
They did. I'll let you off.
Hey, shot. Who shot them? Somebody shot them, didn't they? You were dead for that money.
Today, Simon. Don't just go on the corner pen, a little bit further to the left. There's a lot breaking over. See that? Yeah.
Where that?
Dead tired.
Yeah, don't
Unless it's in a tree, then it's fine. That's it. Not bad, was it? Oh, look at that. Keep going. Oh. whistle?
Surprising how well they
Yeah, they do fly well.
go for beams.
Staff.
Yeah,